Normally, I would say at this point you are looking live at the MaxTrack Live Doppler, except that you're not. This is going back to 6 o'clock yesterday. Okay, so this is before things started getting out of hand. We had isolated storms developing in what was a very muggy afternoon. You've watched two lines. You see how they merged into one. When that happens, you put a lot of shear in the environment, you enhance the storms. We even had some severe thunderstorm warnings associated with that when that merger took place. But then what happened? The front got to about the Hal Rogers Parkway and put on the brakes. Thing was, the atmosphere remained very dynamic. There was moisture coming up from the tropics, continuing to plunge into the front that was over us. And the bottom line is, we saw these waves coming through, wave after wave with heavy rain. And again, with the front not moving, with the weak steering currents, we saw rain falling in the same places over and over again at a tremendous rate, which we can show you here. This is one of the functions of Doppler radar, is that they can measure the rainfall rate. When you're seeing the pinks, that's 6 inches of rain per hour. You see that happen, and it's not uncommon to get rainfall rates like that. Any good summer thunderstorm is going to produce rainfall rates like that, but it lasts 5, 10, 15 minutes. This was wave after wave that lasted for hours at 5 and 6 and 7 inches per hour rain. And so that's how we ended up with these tremendously large rainfall amounts. MaxTrack Live Doppler now, we've got a few thunder showers down in McCreary and southern Whitley County. The next wave, though, of significant proportions is back on the other side of I-65. But the rainfall totals, these are the radar estimations around Hazard, over 10 inches on the radar estimations. We did have 10 inches measured up around Buckhorn, where we did have a 9.2 estimate. But you see parts of Clay County, Owsley County, Breathitt County, Perry, Leslie, not over into Letcher County. 6 to 8 inches of rain were common. But again, it's just there essentially. North and west, the rainfall amounts were much less. Now, we're showing you a different parameter here. Why did this happen? There's something we call precipitable water. Essentially, if you were to take a cylinder and extend it all the way up through the atmosphere and measure how much water is in there, that's what we're talking about with the amount of moisture available. When you get over 2 inches, that is a ton of water. So look what's coming. We go into this evening and tonight where you're seeing those dark maroons. That's better than 2 inches of precipitable water available, which means any thunderstorms get going have that resource available to tap and can produce heavy rains once again. Now, there's good news by late Friday is that drier air is going to finally impinge on in. But before that happens, flood watch is up essentially area-wide through the day tomorrow. The excessive rain risk, it's a moderate one later tonight into the pre-dawn hours tomorrow for most of the area. Thing is, we're going to carry at least into the southeast into tomorrow during the day as well before that drier air can finally take hold with the heaviest rain, again, looking to be across the south and east. But then we get you to Saturday and things do look calmer. So tropical moisture plus weak winds plus mountains, catastrophic results. About 24 more hours to go with this pattern. Saturday will be our island that we can start to dry out. But until then, we're going to have more rain that we're going to have to contend with. So tonight, the flood watch goes back into effect. Rain and thunderstorms return. Some of that rain will be heavy. We're in the low 70s. Tomorrow, flood watch continues. Rain and thunderstorms ending from northwest to southeast. We may see some sunshine late. We're in the low 80s. Saturday's our dry day. Rain returns on Sunday. That rain early next week could also be heavy.